Oh, he popped off! What's up, yo? Sauce TV back at it. We out here from the plug, the bay, where I'm at, with my boy Mondo Jojo. Just out here from the plug for some halibut and some striper, probably, if they're around. First cast going in. A little bit windy, but should still get something. Water's pushing really fast too, so I don't know. She still hit though. Got a messed up hand, so I can't really cast as far. I'm on, y'all. What the fuck, bruh? Oh, he popped off! No! Oh my god, that was first catch. Oh my god, bro, that's crazy. Yeah. Damn, bro. How I fumble like that? I don't see no teeth marks. Wait. That's not teeth marks. Right there, yeah. Oh, actually, yeah. I see. Yeah, it wasn't hooked as good. First cast though, y'all. That's crazy, yo. First catch with the new bait. Nah, I lost it. Right there. Come back. Come back. Imagine though. I keep getting bit, y'all. It's just weird. Oh shit. Basically, I'm like casting like a fan movement, going from right there to, you know, all that way. So gotta just cover more ground and see where they're at. You just never know, for real. Also, it's good to use like light swim baits because like it don't really get as stuck in like weeds as much as like a heavier one would. So, but yeah. Just a tip to like do when you plug out. But I got bit right there twice though, so it was crazy. My hand hurt real bad though. And I watch my line to see when my bait drops all the way down. When it gets like loose. But that first fish, I thought it was like some weeds, so I thought it was in, and then it just fought back. Oh, yep. I'm on one. Yes, sir. Shaky butt. See? On camera for y'all too, y'all. On camera for y'all. Let me go get my camera. I usually don't show my spots like plug, but this is already a known spot, so I don't really care for it. This is what we gonna try to catch. Hopefully the big one come through. But yep. So halibut have to be 22 inches to keep. This is very under that. Oh my God. Bro, stop moving. Good, put California halibut right here. Get a little thumbnail picture. Unhook them. And then throw them back. I have one hand, y'all, so just bear with me. But yeah. There you go. So yeah, that was my first fish of the day. Well, could have been my second, but also the first one though. But I'm glad that got caught on video because that's my first bite on a plug. Again, I didn't know. It was just that way and it just fought back. I'm using a 13 fishing reel and then a 20-pound Japan braid with a bass rod. I don't use anything like too fancy for real. Just you know, some simple stuff. I don't go all out. Like this combo, I'd say was around like $110 in all. So yeah, I don't really spend too much. But a new rod would be good though. But yeah, the only reason why like I don't really show spots because like people would go there and trash it, or it would be too much fishermen there. But I'm already seeing people like that blow up spots already as YouTubers, so I'm just gonna, my whole concept of it is just to, you know, just not concept, but like plan in a sense, is to like hit the spots that's already been posted on YouTube, because I don't really share spots out of respect for friends and all. So blowing up a good hole isn't worth the views, in my opinion. Everybody puts in time to find new spots and stuff, so you know, with like blowing up spots, it just gives people like a handout. But I'm just talking. Many might have different opinions about it, but I don't know, it's just an opinion of mine. Like, if you know the spot, then you know, and everybody's gonna go there. Like, with trout, it's already, like, side by side with a lot of people that fish for real. And these aren't really stocked fish, so unlike SoCal, where they stock halibut, as I've seen, but these aren't really stocked fish. You can't really get them, in a sense, as you can with trout. I want to plug more and record more, so with that being said, like, I don't want to blow up no spots, so if I post a spot, it's already been posted already. But yeah, hopefully we get a big one today though. Want some fish tacos. My boy's on right now. Yeah, finally got one. Finally got one. Oh shit. Before this, y'all, I kid you not, he lost like a lot. Yes, sir. Catch and release. Where the big ones at, yo? Damn. Great. Now I'm stuck. New spot now, yo. Trying to just still plug for him. Still pretty windy. My boy's on one first cast at this spot. Let it fight, bro. I told you. You're lying. Ain't no way it's not. Nah, I don't think so, bro. Freak. No, bro. It was a red, y'all.